What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back with another video today. Today I have a special video for y'all. This video is gonna help y'all back to school. These are my top sneakers for back to school. I know y'all looking for what sneakers I need to match my outfits. If y'all haven't got your outfits, I will be doing a back to school clothing haul also. So y'all just stay tuned, man. First of all, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. Anything dealing with men's fashion, sneakers, fashion, anything like that, it's gonna be on this channel, so you don't want to miss out. Go ahead, hit the subscribe, the notification bell. Upload every week, and I need y'all to go follow my Instagram and my TikTok. I got style videos on there too. I got everything you need, from the coupon codes, how to style this, how to style that, where to get these items from, the clothes from. Everything is on my social platform, so y'all should definitely tune into your boy. So anyway, we're gonna jump into the top sneakers. This is my opinion, you know what I'm saying? If y'all got some, y'all want to suggest anything, or you know what I'm saying, y'all like the list or anything, y'all just comment down below. I will be doing an affordable list also. This right here is not any type of price range, and it's not no type of order. These is a list of shoes that y'all should get, or I recommend going back to school. So we're gonna dive into it, and if y'all got any questions, anything, like I said, please shoot me a DM or comment down below. But we're gonna jump into the first pair of sneakers. Y'all already know, I think all my list of like sneakers and everything, I just feel like you cannot go wrong with a all white pair of Air Force Ones. You just cannot go wrong with them. And I'm not talking about the old ones. Like, get you some with some like that. I believe they upgrade the Air Force Ones. Y'all check them out. They have gotten, like, better with the Air Force Ones, because they how the bottom sole get, whatever. But definitely get your all white Air Force Ones. They're not too bad on the price. They did go up a little bit since over time, but you just can't go wrong with this shoe. It go with any outfit. You can't go wrong. You trying to throw on quick shoes with this outfit, you like, man, I don't know what shoe. White Forces, you're gonna look clean every time. It's a clean all white Forces. I couldn't find my all white pair, but I do have the LV one, so you don't have to get these. I'm just saying, like, just showing y'all a pair of all white Air Force Ones. So don't get me wrong, you can't go wrong with it. Definitely copy it. Next shoe, Balance 9060s. Yes, now y'all know about the New Balance. There's a lot of these also. Hey, there's a lot of different styles, a lot of different colorways, but get you a pair. I'm telling you, it'll never go wrong. New Balance, they back in style. Y'all know this. They comfortable. So many colors. Like, come on now, you just can't go wrong with the New Balance 96. I had to add this to my list. Definitely copy you a pair, and you definitely can find these anywhere at this point. This is JL 1130. These right here, you cannot go wrong with these either. They got a lot of colorways on the Asics website. You can find them in your local retail sneaker stores, such as like Champs, JD Sports, Foot Locker. They got some, so you cannot go wrong with these. I love these shoes. Y'all know they trending right now, that Asics, and of course they got all different styles. I love the 1130s personally, and I do have the other styles also, but I love these because the price point on them is not bad, and also the comfort and the style of them, I just love them. Like, you just can't go wrong with these. So yeah, definitely should check them out. Go get you a pair. Tell you can't go wrong. Every color, and they comfortable. Then of course, if you walk into class and everything, you got that the support on your heels, so won't be too bad. We're gonna hop into the Jordans. Come on now, I can't leave out the Jordans. Y'all know Jordan is the popular shoe. Y'all know everybody's rocking and everything. So my recommendation on Jordan 5 metallic black right here. It's a simple, dope retro Jordan right here. You just cannot pass up. I believe you still can get these. They might be a little bit on the price point, but this is a good Jordan 5 shoe that's just like a basic color, OG colorway, that it can go in most of your fits. I know it will, and you just can't go wrong with the Jordan 5. The style of them and everything is dope. The tongue, come on, you just can't go wrong. Jordan 5 is one of my favorite shoes, so definitely adding this to the list. Jordan, y'all know I had to throw in the Jordan 4 white cement. I don't have to do too much explanation on this shoe. Check it out. Now, simple colorway, but dope. Retro, Nike Air on the back of the shoe. Come on, y'all. You can't tell me. Every Jordan 4 really is going crazy. And just for the Jordan 5s, like, man, it's different styles, and you don't have to get that color. Like, Jordan 4 and Jordan 5s, they like the dope shoes. Like, they just bring a statement just on the feet. So I definitely recommend this Jordan 4 though, because I love the color, and this shoe is just It's just dope. It's like one of my favorite Jordan 4s. So definitely recommend the Jordan 4 white cement to the list. Now, if you really want to put it on, if you know what I mean, but you want to put that on.
Boy, he got that shit on though.
You want to add a little, that flavor, a little stand out a little bit, knowing like, hey, okay, you know, got a little eye on the kicks on the fit. Get you some of these. I can't pronounce the word. They like the Missouri something. You know what I'm talking about, the melted Converse. I'm gonna have all the shoes in the description below so y'all know, y'all see it, and y'all can click the link and buy them. But these right here, can't go wrong with them. They a dope shoe, you know, remind you of the Converse. These right here, they gonna stand out because the bottom of the shoe and everything. Like, they dope. I love them. On the comfort side, not so big, but hey, like I said, if you want to just put it on for that day, these gonna be it. They're gonna make it through the day. So of course, I got every different colorway, and I'm gonna put y'all on some sauce. I'm gonna put y'all on the game. Top secret. Because you tuned this video and you subscribe and you like, right? You did, right? Okay, I was making sure before I tell you this. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. It's a website, and I'm gonna link in here that you can get these from, and you won't have to break the bank at all. So I got y'all. So you gonna rack up on these. I'm telling you, I got y'all. So like I said, get you a pair of these. You can't go wrong. Now we about to jump into the little, you know, the chill sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Something you don't want to just do too much. You want to put on something slight, maybe some sweatpants, some shorts. You can rock these. I know these are going crazy right now. These are the Nike Reacts, I believe that's what they call them, more like the, you know, the slides. They do have different colorways of these. I seen some blue ones, all type of colors. So get you any color. They comfortable. These are great shoes. I did a review, so y'all check out the review. This is how they fit in everything, true to size. Man, these are comfortable and they a dope shoe. So, you know, definitely grab you a pair, because I'm telling you, you're gonna want these. They're gonna come in handy. You're in a rush, get these. But that's all I have for the list of shoes I have for the back to school sneakers. Y'all definitely check them out. Any recommendations, anything y'all got to say, go drop it all down below. Links down below. Thank y'all. Love y'all for supporting. If y'all already subscribed and hit that like button, thank y'all. Thank y'all. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank y'all. Peace. I'm out.